That didn't work. Hi gang, my name is Coach Jay Brightler with Full Circle Coaching Consulting. If you like this video, please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to do more videos like this. We'd also love to hear your feedback. So let us know at the end of the video if these 4 steps to marketing help. So you opened up a business. Hanging a shingle didn't work. You rolled the dice. You didn't come up with snake eyes. Hanging a shingle, just opening a business does not guarantee success. Hopefully you have not found this out the hard way. I've got a new idea. Instead of just hanging a shingle, you've got to get out and you've got to meet people. You've got to shake hands. Shaking hands, meeting people. So I don't care if you've got an online business, if you have a bricks and mortar business, but you will never regret shaking hands with people. This means B&I, Rotary groups, local groups. We have a couple different group business to business type referral groups out in Colorado. You can't just hang a shingle, but you have to meet other people. 3, 2, start a website. That's what I'm going to do. To get my name out there, I'm going to start a website. Nope. That didn't. A business, started a website. I didn't get lucky. That roll of the dice didn't work for you. Starting a website, posting it on Facebook 3 times will not move the dial. Instead, do monitor trends and focus on. Website is a fantastic place to start. And yes, if you run a business, you have to have a website. Don't get me wrong. But how linked into search engines, specifically Google, are you? Are you taking advantage of the fact that Google owns YouTube? If you're not, I highly recommend that you start creating some videos, put them on YouTube, cross-post them to your website, and then go ahead and take that, and what you do once it's on your website, now you take that and you share that out onto Google spheres also. Things like Google My Business tends to get amazing traction when you combine it with something that's predictable like YouTube. It doesn't have to be luck. Idea number 3, people refer. Oh yeah, we're up and running. They'll refer. Dang, no snake eyes yet. That roll didn't work. That didn't work either. Absolutely, people will refer once they have found you and they like you. The chances that people think to refer, and once they leave your business, they don't always think about who they can refer. If somebody says, do you know a chiropractor? Do you know a dentist? Do you know somebody who does web development? Do you know a coach? Yeah, then they'll make that referral. But you know what? I have a better idea. Instead of just trusting that people will refer, ask. Who do you know who could benefit from coaching? As a chiropractor, you have experienced this is what I will say to a client. You have experienced the benefits of chiropractic. You know what chiropractic can do. Who do you know who might be suffering from headaches? Who do you know who might be considering consistently going potentially down the wrong road, one that's not filled with health? Do not, my friends, be afraid to ask somebody who you know or even suspicious who's got good results. Who do you know who would benefit from? Another way that you can parlay this forward. You know that there's an energy in the universe that's completed to the degree that you're willing to give a referral to me today. It's likely that somebody out there energetically will be doing the same thing to complete that circle of giving. So let me ask you this. Can you pay this forward today? Can you think of one person who would benefit from coaching, from chiropractic, from having a good dentist, from web development? It doesn't matter what it is, but the ask is essentially the same. So instead of trusting people to refer, ask them to refer. Idea number 4, hoping that a marketing plan works. Once again, will not work. Instead of hoping, we monitor and we measure. How do you not roll the dice? How do you get amazing at this whole video and never once came up singles? Life is not a roll the dice, friends. You have to have predictable outcomes. So instead of hoping that people come in and hoping that you're doing the right things, you cannot grow what you are not measuring. There's an energy behind this. Every client that comes in, are you tracking where they came from and how they followed up? Who referred them? and how do you follow up? And when somebody has referred, have you taken the time to thank them? The energy of thanking goes a long, long, long way. So hoping is rolling the dice. These are not strategies. You have to have predictable outcomes. So again, idea number one, instead of just hanging a shingle, shake hands, go out and meet people. I know it sounds silly, but get out of your comfort zone. That's the absolute best way for people to come in. Starting a website, great idea. But are you taking advantage of all the things that are out there and cross-posting and meshing them? Website's vital, but how much are you taking advantage of it? Yeah, people will refer, but are you choosing to ask them and getting out of your comfort zone and asking them? And instead of hoping that you're doing things right, are you measuring? That would be my suggestion, gang. 4 things that you can do today to take your business to the next level. Hey, did this help? Let us know if it did. These are just 4 steps. I'm sure you've got more. I'm sure you can let us know if one of these 4 is silly or if you've got better ones or what's worked really well for you through time. Thanks, docs.